Well, thought I'd do another quick update on what's going on here at the culvert. Looks like they're getting to a point where they can actually cover this thing up. As you can see, they've got all the pipe laid in now, or culvert, or whatever you want to call this stuff. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 45 of these big box things that I'm a little over 6 foot tall and I could walk through. But as you can see, it's coming along. Got the big equipment here, and they should be filling things in hopefully real soon. So we'll have our road back.